cloud computing really is the forefront and driver behind the the serverless environment and architectures. It's the nature of cloud, the fact that it can provision the latest technology in really thin slices for very little money. Without cloud computing there, without the driving force there, it really doesn't push or make the microservices architecture work well. I think it's moving more. Containers are becoming more prevalent, but at the same time, outside of the containerization, there's a lot more in stateless computing, a lot more coming in from the individual microservices that are available, and expanding that really into a multi-cloud environment where it's not just one service provider you're consuming your microservices from, but a whole plethora of providers that you're picking in a pick and mix style, really, what you need for your application. The emerging trends that we're talking about today are really a mixture of technological and business. Starting on the business, we're pulling out things along the lines of trust and compliance. We've seen a lot of compromised solutions over the last few years based on hacking, insider information leaking, and it's really having an impact on some substantially sized businesses. So trust is becoming a massive element, both in terms of computing, but in cloud especially, where you're giving your information into another organisation and really trusting them to look after it. On the technological front, we're looking at the move and transition towards a more cloud-native way of doing application development. Cloud works very well for existing infrastructure, but if you move to a more microservice-based architecture, you can often get a lot more competitive advantage, increase your or decrease your development time and your time to market, and really tailor solutions to customers a lot more efficiently than you would otherwise do.